Welcome to this video on spiritual gifts in counseling, part of our Christian counseling course, Module 1, Lesson 4, presented by the Christ Divine Theological Institute. In this video, we will define spiritual gifts, explore the role of the Holy Spirit, and discuss the ethical application of these gifts in a counseling setting. To begin our lesson, we start with an opening question. What exactly makes Christian counseling different? At its core, the distinction lies in the concept of spiritual gifts, which are understood as supernatural abilities given by the Holy Spirit. These gifts are vital in counseling, as they encompass aspects like wisdom, discernment, encouragement, and healing. The Holy Spirit plays a central role in this process, acting to guide, teach, comfort, and reveal truth to both the counselor and the counselee. The gift of wisdom provides divine insight, which is essential when navigating particularly difficult counseling situations. Similarly, the gift of knowledge offers understanding that goes beyond natural information, aiding in a deeper grasp of a person's need. The gift of discernment is equally important, allowing the counselor to recognize spiritual realities that may be impacting the individual. Through the gift of encouragement, a counselor can effectively work to build faith and hope in those they support. The gift of mercy provides the compassion and deep empathy necessary to connect with the hurting. The gift of faith is foundational, centered on trusting God for the transformation of the individual. Finally, the gift of teaching enables the counselor to explain biblical truth clearly, helping clients apply it to their lives. When these gifts work together, they create a powerful, integrated counseling ministry. We will conclude by examining a case study to see how these gifts are applied in an actual counseling situation. Moving on to the ethical use of gifts, the foundational principle here is that love must govern every spiritual gift used in the counseling process. It is essential to guide rather than manipulate. Ethical practice requires respecting the counselee's boundaries and avoiding any form of spiritual coercion. Maintain strict confidentiality and exercise humility. True servant leadership means putting the needs of the individual before your own position or influence. Look to Jesus as the perfect counselor. His ministry consistently demonstrated the perfect balance of wisdom, mercy, truth, and healing. Follow the counseling model of Jesus. Take the time to observe and listen deeply, discern the root issues, teach with clarity, and facilitate restoration. Our key takeaway today is this: spiritual gifts are not for personal status. They are meant to serve others and glorify Christ. Take a moment to reflect on your own experiences. Consider how these principles can be engaged to improve your approach to care. For your assignment, please write a reflection paper detailing how you plan to integrate these concepts of ethical gifting into your practice. We close with the wisdom of Zechariah chapter 4, verse 6, reminding us that it is not by our might, but by His Spirit that transformation happens. Thank you for watching. We hope this video aids your ministry. Please take time to review your materials for further discussion.